When you finished a job, it's easy to just want to clean everything up and be done with it. But if you catalog your print, you'll be able to easily repeat it later on and use that job as a reference for the new one. You'll want to take notes of everything that went into making this job possible. Write down what garment you used, the print location, print order, how you coated the screens, the inks used, and any adjustments you made during the process. One great way to catalog all of this information is to simply put your final design on a Pellon, then place a piece of tape down and write out your notes. I use masking tape, so if I mess up while writing, I can just tear it off and start over. Or you can just staple a copy of the job template to the Pellon. Another way to catalog your print is to cut out the design from a shirt and staple it to a Pellon. This way you are seeing exactly what the final product looked like on the final garment. First, write out the name of the job. I usually add the date it was first printed as well. I'm going to write down any data that will help recreate this print. This includes mesh counts, inks used, squeegee durometer, garments used, print location, print order, as well as flash and cure times. You can be as detailed as you want to be, but in my opinion, the more information the better. Lastly, write down any issues or notes you had while printing this run, so if you or the next person who prints it doesn't run into the same complications. This could be about off contact, if you added curable reducer, if a smoothing screen was used, what type of print stroke you used, how long it took to run the print, or anything that you think is important. You now should be able to hand these notes off to a printer and trust that they can recreate the print in the exact same way. Alright, now let's go reclaim some screens. Thanks for watching, screen printers. If you found this video helpful, you won't want to miss our comprehensive online course, How to Screen Print with a Kit 250 edition, available exclusively on screenprinting.com. Watch today for free and take your skills to the next level.